My first time here in Australia and Melbourne, and the people are so nice. And then, sobrang accommodating. At saka masasabi ko lang, hindi ako bagay dito sa Australia. Kasi po, nahihirapan talaga ang sa accent. I want to ride a taxi, but taxi kong money. Ayan! Alam mo yung Bisaya dito sa Mindanao? Pero tignan na, ano kasi, to Shirley and Wayne over there. At sa lahat po ng dyan, hello! Ito po ay show ko at teka muna, at prepare to tumabili. I'm sorry, you can't understand, I'm doing this. Okay. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat kasi po kung wala kayo, I will never be here in Australia because mga kapamilya kayo ng TFC. Salamat din sa TFC. Thank you so much for believing in me. Oh, from my heart. Woo! Excited na po ako, sorry. Nanginginig na yung tuhod ko. Ah! Yan. Kanta na ako po. Ano po yung second album? You can buy there. Sure. Nagbibenta po kami ng album. Pwede nyo pong bilhin. Pwede nyo pong utangin din. Kasi sa atin, uso ang utang dito din. Pwede yung utangahan mo. Sige. Do you understand? What I'm saying? No. We need credit cards. Okay. Ano, para naman, hindi pa tayo magtatagal kasi po para makabukas pa tayo matapos nito. Ito, I'd like to sing this song from my second album, What I Do Best. I'd like to dedicate this song para po sa lahat, for the people who are very much in love tonight. And for me, I am a married woman. And I do love every guy in the world. And what I do best is loving. Come on, man. I know that you love so well. Please find someone. You've been running from yesterday. You stumble and you want some time to love and shine through. And I will be waiting out for you. 'Cause what I do best is to love you like a woman loves and I can love you more than any other woman can. But just